Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price. Low miles and loaded with features. Features also include leather interior group, third row seating, hands-free Bluetooth integration, sun moonroof. With these ratings, take a ride in the 2015 Pilot. Optimal utility, indulgent interior, powerful performer. You'll be ready for almost anything in the Honda Pilot and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, four-wheel drive, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, moonroof, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, power steering, home link garage door opener, floor mats. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.